So not only will Imagen crop, it will also straighten, it will also create a subject mask to brighten them from the background, but now introducing their brand new feature, skin smoothing. Hey everyone, my name is Tommy Reynolds. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a portrait and wedding photographer based in Southeast England. And today I want to show you Imagen AI's brand new feature they've just launched called skin smoothing. So much like their subject mask feature, Imagen will automatically detect the subject's face in every single photo and apply local adjustments. Let me show you how it works. When I go to create new project and select the catalog that I want to edit, I select a name and give it the profile that I want to use. Underneath that, we can see all of the additional AI tools that we can choose. So I'm going to go for the skin smoothing. And if you're setting this up for the first time, once you've ticked the box, then go to edit. If we go up to the skin style, you can see that Imagen have a couple of presets already dialed in for us. But if you want to, you can of course adjust them yourself by going to the custom value. Here are the different parameters which will change in order to smooth your subject's skin. As we can see, if we go to the smooth skin moderate, we can see how much of the texture, clarity and sharpness is being adjusted. And personally, this is the one that I choose to use. I think the moderate one that Imagen have created is perfect. Unless you know the exact parameters you want, I'd probably suggest going with the moderate as well to start with, and then you can tweak it absolutely along the way. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. Once you're happy and you've selected all the filters if you needed to, you're then going to hit upload as you would normally to Imagen. Once you've downloaded your catalog back after it's been edited, if you would select any image and go to the brush settings, you'll be able to see that a new brush mask has been applied. We can see when I select the brush, it managed to find the faces absolutely fine. And when I turn the effect on and off, we can just see how much of a difference that really is making. We can of course customize the smoothness, the texture, the clarity and the sharpness, as I've said before, to create your unique style. Because the mask here is non-destructive, if you want to, you can make any tweaks, any adjustments, or you can of course delete the mask entirely if you want to. We can see when I select the brush, it managed to find the faces absolutely fine. And when I turn the effect on and off, we can just see how much of a difference that really is making. Now, if you want to make an adjustment to your skin smoothing brush, even after the edits have already been done, you can simply go into the smooth skin edit, go down to the custom, change them to the values that you want, hit save changes, hit download again, and that will apply the new skin smoothing feature that you've just tweaked. So you don't need to re-upload the whole project again. Just like the subject mask, when you make a tweak and re-download that again, it will apply those brand new parameter settings for you, making it super easy. Now, before this feature came out, I was manually using a brush and going over skin of only a certain few images. Obviously, I couldn't do this with all the images. It would have just taken way too long. But with Imagen, I can effortlessly integrate this feature within my workflow for only 1 cent per photo. This is such a lovely add-on to an already amazing product which I use all the time. Now, yes, Lightroom do have an adaptive portrait setting that you can use which will skin smooth, but there's a little bit of a pause while you wait to do that per photo, and if you sync it with all the photos, there's an even longer wait. Why wait when Imagen can just integrate it in your workflow and just do it all for you with one click? If you want to give this a try, please click the link in the description box below, where you will get 2,000 free edits. So depending on how many images you deliver, that might be the equivalent of 3, maybe even 4 completed galleries, all totally free. So give it a go, use my link and drop me a comment below to let me know what you thought of it. Well, that's about it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure you hit the like or share button, or subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. And as always, I will see you again next time. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.